Hey guys, welcome to Mad Life with Posh, and I am Posh. And if you are new to my channel, then please feel free to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and you are most welcome to my own little community of subscribers. And today's video is going to be all about the September Fab Bag, and this is their anniversary edition, guys. As you know that I have already before reviewed the Fab Bag, and if you don't know what Fab Bag is, then let me tell you, Fab Bag is a very beautiful beauty subscription bag that the company sends to anybody who purchases this bag. And in this bag every month you get random 5 or 6 products which you get in a kind of wholesale prices, and they send you products worth rupees 1000, 2000 or sometimes near 3000. So it is a pretty awesome bag, and if you haven't tried, try it once and you will love it. So let's first see what all I received in my Fab Bag. Firstly, I received this beautiful purple color bag which I am totally loving. And if you can see the material of this bag, it is a very beautiful, nice PU leather bag which you can easily reuse for your makeup pouch or as your makeup pouch. And yeah, the bag contains few cards. These are the cards, guys, that's the bag contains. And this is their usual Fab Bag contest card, and this is the product list. And as you can see, the logo is made over here, the 8-year logo that the Fab Bag is celebrating. And all the products that I have over here are full size products, and I have received in total of 5 products in this month of Fab Bag. First product that I received in the Fab Bag is the Sugar Matte as Hell lip crayon, and the first product itself blew me away because I just love this sugar product. I was eyeing to buy this product for such a long time, and it is such a beautiful shade. The shade name is Rachel Berry, and it is shade number 24, guys. It is a beautiful brown and burgundy color cross lipstick. And yeah, this is the lipstick, and let me give you guys a swatch of this lipstick on my hand. This is a very beautiful shade. It completely goes with my skin shade. I am in total love with this shade. And yeah, the lipstick itself cost rupees 899, which is more than the worth of the total bag that I have paid for. And the price of this bag is rupees 599, which is a total gain for me. Let me tell you one more thing. This lipstick is a made in Germany product, so it is not a made in China product, and it is cruelty free. And this lipstick comes with a shelf life of nearly 3 years. Yes, 3 years, that is all. And let's go to the next product that I received in my Fab Bag. The next product is the brick lip liner that I received over here. And I think the lip liner that I received over here is in coordination with the lipstick that they had sent me. And this is the lip liner. Let me give you guys the swatch of this lip liner. And yes, this is the swatch of the lip liner. As you can see, it is a total in coordination with the lipstick. It is a total match of the shade, and it is nice. And also, guys, I didn't tell you, I received a sharpener from Sugar. As you can see, the Sugar lip crayon is not retractable one, so I had to sharpen this. So they had generously sent a sharpener also, and this is a little set off because I generally like my crayons or lip liners to be a retractable one, because you don't want to lose out to all the products that you will shave off once you are going for sharpening it. And my third product is the Japanese Adzuki Bean face wash. That is quite a mouthful, but yeah, it is a quite handsome packaging, as you can see guys. And let me open the product, and yeah, this is the product. As you can see, this is a total matte finish in packaging and has beautiful intricate works happening all over the product. This product is a 100% vegetarian product, recyclable, not tested on animal, and SLS free, paraben free, which is all nice. The worth of this product is 450, and this product has a shelf life of 3 years. But the set off, guys, always look out for the shelf life of the product that you are receiving in any receiving from anywhere or in any subscription boxes. As I have received the product that I have it on hand has a manufacturing date of May 2019, and this product is due to get expired on April 2021, which is a big set off, because now that I am filming this product, it is 22nd of September, and this product is due to get expired on April 21, whereas I am not even getting more than 10 months in to use and try these products, which is kind of a little bit disappointing, because you do want to try different kinds of product to your skin that are nice, and you do want to have knowledge of products. So yeah, that is the only set off that I had in this month's fab bag. And next, let's go to the fourth product. The fourth product that I received in this month's fab bag is the Palmer Coconut Water Hydrating Sheet Mask. The total worth of this sheet mask is rupees 305, and this sheet mask is a hydrating sheet mask. It comes with coconut water or coconut oil formula with vitamin E. It has raw coconut oil harvested from the coconut palm with hyaluronic acid. Yeah, it is paraben free, sulfate free, dye free, no, and has no gluten, no mineral oil, which is nice, because nowadays with all the products and all the chemicals that are present in every products, every cosmetics, you do want to hydrate it, you do want to hydrate your skin, you do want to give your skin that nourishment that it needs, and a sheet mask like this is very, very nice, and it is a must say, it is a very, very costly sheet mask in itself. So yeah, that's nice. And the fifth product and the last product that I received in this month's fab bag is the Show Company India Mask Body Wash, and the price of this product is rupees 250, and it is also a full size product like all the other products. And the Soap Company India is a company, it is a little company that they have, I think, Instagram store, and they have recently gained a little popularity over the internet, as they retail all the naturally skin loving products that are good to your skin. And this product is not tested on animals. It is a 100 ml body wash, and the flavor of this body wash is musk in flavor. And let me tell you guys, the smell is very, very beautiful. It is completely intoxicating. I just love it. It is very mild. It doesn't give you any headache at once, and you do want to apply it all over your body. It is a very nice. Let's see how much I like it once I apply it on my body. Till now it is nice. So yeah, that is all with this month's fab bag. I hope you liked what all I had received in my fab bag. So do share your thoughts and comments, and I wish the fab bag a very happy anniversary, and do continue the good work as long as you can, and help us with trying all the new products that we get in hand through your bags. So yeah, that is all from my side. See you on my next video.